What's up friends, Andrew here, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to sign into YouTube on your PC or laptop. So you want to open up your browser and go to youtube.com. If you're using YouTube for the first time, you will see that there is nothing in the search result, right? And that's because you haven't signed into YouTube yet and you don't have a YouTube search history. So all you have to do is look towards the upper right hand side where you have signed in. Click on that there and enter your email address. Now, the reason why mine look like this is because I already signed into Google. So I would recommend that you sign into Google first and foremost, because that is going to make your signing very easy. So once you sign into Google, so once you go to google.com, you can easily sign into Google, and that's going to make it so much easier for you. So on the upper right hand side, you can simply click and sign in, and you can enter your email address and you can sign into Google. And so once you head over to youtube.com, what's going to happen is that you will simply click the sign in on the upper right hand side, and if you're signing in, it will allow you to sign into Google. Regardless, all you have to do is select your email address and enter your password, and once you hit enter, it should take you right into YouTube. Now, if you have a YouTube channel, you can easily sign into your YouTube channel. Otherwise, you can start using YouTube normally by making searches. And here you can see that I have my profile on the upper right hand side. If I click that, you can see that I have signed into YouTube. Now, if you have a YouTube channel, you can easily access the YouTube Studio by simply clicking on YouTube Studio, or you can view channel. So if I click in this button here, let me just right click and show you, that's going to open up my channel. And if I want to access my YouTube Studio, I can click on that as well, and it's going to take me right into my channel. Keep in mind that you need to have a channel created, otherwise you won't be able to sign into the YouTube Studio. So once you have that, so once you sign in, you'll be able to access your YouTube Studio, or if you head over to your channel, you'll also be able to find your channel as well. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.